Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to get started with Shopify API integration. So as you can see here, you will be directed here after you logged in or sign in to your Shopify account. Here you will go to settings on the bottom left corner. Simply click on it and wait for it to load up. Now here you can go to apps and sales channel. Now here simply click on develop apps on the top and click on create an app. Here just input the name of app. For example, how to easy. Then click on create app. Wait for it to load up. Now we have to configure the API. Go to configuration. Here you can see a admin API integration. Connect your stored data to your backend services with the admin API and webhooks. Click on configure, and here simply tick the ones that you needed. For example, I will take down this read analytics, read apps, read customer events, write gift cards, write inventory, write discovery, write discounts. As I said earlier, tick what you need. So please do have time to read it one by one. After all of that, click on save. Wait for it to load up. And again, go to configuration. On the Storefront API integration, create unique shopping experience with Storefront API. Simplify your mobile development with iOS by SDK and Android by SDK. Simply click on configure again. Next, and tick again what you need and read all of it to see what you need. After you tick it, click on save. Wait for it to load up. Go back again and go to API credentials. You don't have any access tokens yet. To get your admin API and storefront API access tokens, install your app. So you need to install your app to access tokens. You can also keep your access tokens secure. Only share them with developers that you trust to safely access your data. You can click on this tree. Also, you can see your API key here and secret key. Now, simply press this install app. Click on install. Wait for it to be installed. And that's basically it.